Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create ConvertKit subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission. So I'm running a small online business and I'm generating the leads for this business with the help of FlexiFunnels form. So I've created a form and attached on my website. Now I want that as soon as a lead is going to visit my website and submit the form by using FlexiFunnels, then I want to add that same lead as a subscriber in my email marketing platform, that is ConvertKit, to communicate with all the leads effortlessly. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between FlexiFunnels and ConvertKit, and that we are going to do without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically create ConvertKit subscriber whenever a new form will be submitted inside FlexiFunnels. So here I am running a small online business and I'm using FlexiFunnels forms on my website to generate the leads, and I want to transfer these leads into my email marketing application, that is ConvertKit, so that I can connect with my leads further effectively. Therefore, instead of manually transferring the information of each of new lead to my email marketing platform ConvertKit, I want to automate this entire process. So how I'm going to automate? By setting up a simple connection between FlexiFunnels and ConvertKit, so that every time someone fills out my FlexiFunnel form on the website, they are automatically added as a subscriber in ConvertKit. And this not only saves the time but ensures that no lead is missed and allow me to start engaging with the leads immediately. So here I'm going to create this automation without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. We are on the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will simply find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflow separately and accordingly. Now here, to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on create workflow option, and here we can see our dialog boxes appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. First of all, I'm going to give a name. Create ConvertKit subscriber on FlexiFunnel form submission. After giving the name, here I'm going to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. You can see we have multiple folders over here, so I'm going to select this automations for email marketing folder, and I'm going to click on create. As we've done that, you can see that a new screen is open in front of us. It contains two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose I'm using FlexiFunnel forms to generate the leads, and I've attached that form on my website. So I want that whenever the form will be submitted by a new lead when they're going to visit my website, then immediately that lead should be added as a subscriber in my ConvertKit email marketing application. So I'm going to take FlexiFunnel in my trigger and ConvertKit in my action step. But when we are going to set up a connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the form is submitted, then only the subscriber will be created, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. First of all, to start this workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. Now in my case, trigger application will be FlexiFunnel. So we are going to select FlexiFunnels over here. Now, FlexiFunnel is an all-in-one platform that allows users to design and manage their entire sales funnel process from lead generation to customer conversion. Okay, so it provides various features and tools such as drag and drop easy feature in order to create customized forms, templates, etc. And even you can create your form and attach it on your website to generate the leads, generate the feedbacks from your customers and surveys. So here our trigger application is selected. Now we have to select the trigger event as well, and our trigger event will be new form submission. So basically trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So on the happening of whichever event you want the workflow to run, you have to select that. Here in my case, I want that whenever the form will be submitted inside FlexiFunnel, then the response should be captured and instantly the workflow should get triggered. So new form submission will be my trigger event over here. As we have done that, here we have received one webhook URL and we have also received some instructions. So we just have to follow these instructions step by step to set up this connection, and the URL is going to act as a bridge because it is going to transfer the data from FlexiFunnels towards Pabbly Connect whenever a form will be submitted. So let's copy this URL and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. As we have copied the URL, then first of all we have to log into our FlexiFunnels account. I have already done that, so I'm going to take you over there. This is my account. After coming on your FlexiFunnels account, you have to select your project. So I've already created a project over here. So this is my project. We have to go towards project settings option. And after coming over here, you have to select your page from the left side. So here I have the name of my page, PC integration. That means the form which we have created. And after opening the form, you have to click on edit page. And the form is open in front of us. So it contains following fields: first name, last name, email ID and the phone number. I have created just a basic form to capture the response of my leads and I've attached this form on my website. Okay, so we have to set up the connection between this form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a lead is going to submit it, we will receive the response of that lead over here in Pabbly Connect. How we will have to do that? For that we have to select one of the fields in this form, and here we will see an option of settings. So this is the gear option which we have to select, and after coming over here, once again we'll see a gear option. We have to select that, and over here we have the option of connect here, so we'll click on it. And after coming over here, we will see the option of webhook. So we have to finally select webhook option, and here we have to give a name to our webhook and the webhook URL. So first of all, I'm going to delete the existing data from here. So we are creating a new webhook, and according to the requirement, for whichever reason you are connecting this FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect, you have to give the name according to that. Okay, so here I'm going to give the name, let's say, as new leads, because I am creating this connection to capture the response of all my leads. Then I'm going to give the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and we'll simply click on save. Here our webhook is updated successfully, so we'll cross this, and once again we are going to click on save over here, and here the data is saved successfully. Now what we have to do, we have to publish this setup. So we'll simply click on publish option, and we will wait until the URL will get published. As we will do that, our page, our form will be live and it will be published. So we will be able to use it further. So then further, after publishing the page, as soon as the form will be submitted, automatically the response will be captured. And here we can see that our page is published. So here we'll go towards this action option, and here we have published URL option. So let's select that, and it has taken us towards our page which we have recently connected and we have published. So our page is ready. Now whenever a person is going to submit this page, that means a form, then immediately the response will be captured. And as I told you, I've attached this form which I have created inside my website. So whenever a lead is going to visit my website and submit this form, then I'm going to get the response of that lead with all the details such as first name, last name, email ID and phone number. And further, when I will receive the response of that lead, automatically I'm going to add that person as a subscriber in my email marketing application, that is ConvertKit. So once we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting this form. So here, because I'm doing a test submission, so I am going to enter some dummy details and I will submit this form so that the response could be captured. Let's start with a name. Let's say the name of the person, the name of the lead is dummy. The last name of this lead is, let's say, lead. I'm going to enter a random email ID, dummylead89@pabblytudes.com, and along with it here I'm going to enter the phone number. Okay, the country code of the phone number is already selected as India, and now I'm going to simply submit this form. As the form is submitted, now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response over here, and we have received the response. In this response, when you will scroll down, you will see that we have received all the exact details which we have entered while submitting the form. Here, first of all, we have the ID of the form submission. Here we have the site ID. Here we have the phone number of the lead who has submitted this form. Here we have the first name, the last name, country code, and the email address as well. Along with it, we have also received the phone number. So this means that our connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new form will be submitted inside FlexiFunnels by a new lead, then the response will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. And further, we will be able to automatically transfer that same response to the other application. And in our case, because I want to create a subscriber with that same response inside ConvertKit, so now we'll have to set up the connection between ConvertKit and Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step, and our action application will be ConvertKit, of course. Let's quickly select that. And then we have to select the action event. So here we have multiple action events. According to the requirements, you have to select one. Here, because I want to create a subscriber into a particular form which I've already created inside ConvertKit. So what I will do, I will select add subscriber to a form over here. Let's click on connect. To build the connection here, I'm going to go with add new connection. Here I'm going to build a new connection with my ConvertKit account, and I've already logged into my account, as you can see. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But to create a new connection, you have to first of all provide API key and then the API secret. So how we are going to get that? For that, the instructions are given. You just have to log into your account and you have to go towards account settings over there. I have already logged into my account, so we can also click on this hyperlink, which is directly going to take us towards account setting option of ConvertKit account. So here we are on the account setting options. So we have to scroll down and we will see the option of advanced over here. Let's select that. And here in advanced option, we have the API key and the API secret. So first of all, I'm going to copy the API key. I will move back and paste it over here. Then we have the API secret. So I'm going to open it and I will copy and paste it over here quickly. Done. In the similar manner, you have to find all the details and we'll simply click on save. As we have done that, ConvertKit is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. We have to enter the details in these fields to create a subscriber. First of all, we have to select the form. So I only have one form over here, so we have selected that already. But if you have multiple forms inside your ConvertKit account through which you want to add the subscribers, so you can select any of the form according to your requirements. Then we have the first name, email, tags, last name and the mobile number. All the same details, all the details of the leads to create them as a subscriber. But we have already received the details of this lead in our earlier response, as you know, in the FlexiFunnel response. So we are not going to enter the details manually. We will simply map the data one by one. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. This is our previous step, and you can see we have multiple details over here which we have already received. So first of all, we have to enter the first name. The first name is given over here. Let's select that and it is mapped. When we map a data like this from a previous response, it becomes dynamic. So with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So now when we have mapped this first name, whenever a new response will be captured from FlexiFunnel form submission, then automatically the name is going to replace with the new name of that new lead who has submitted the new response. But if we will enter the data manually over here, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, because we want to automate the entire process and we are not going to do anything manually once we will set up this connection, so therefore we use mapping. So therefore we use the step of mapping in order to automate the process smoothly. So the details will automatically get replaced. Then we will simply map the email in the similar manner as well. Here we have the email address. Then here, if you want, you can also provide and assign a particular tag to your subscribers. Then I'm going to map the last name over here. And here at last we have the mobile number. After doing this, we'll simply click on save and send test request button, and here we have received the response. In this response, you can see we have received a subscription ID. Here we have received the status of this subscriber, which is active. That means the subscriber is automatically and successfully created inside ConvertKit. So I'm going to take you over there, and here we'll go towards the grow section. We have the subscriber option over here. And under the subscriber option, when we'll scroll down, yes, here we have a new subscriber with the name as dummy. Here we have the exact same email address. When I'm going to open the subscriber, here are all the same details. Okay, this means that our connection between FlexiFunnels and ConvertKit is absolutely successful, and here our workflow is completed. Once we have set up the connection successfully, we will run this workflow once again to test whether it is running fine or not. So once again, I'm going to go towards my FlexiFunnel form. And here the form is open in front of us once again. So when I'm going to enter the details in this form to submit it, automatically a subscriber will be created inside ConvertKit. So let's start with the name. This time, let's say the name of the lead is new and the last name is, let's say, user. Here I'm going to enter a random email address and a random phone number as well. Okay, and then I will submit the form. As we have submitted the form over here, let's go and check whether a new subscriber is added with all these same details inside ConvertKit or not. So we'll go back. And yes, here we can see that we do not have to do, and yes, here we can see that instantly and automatically without a single manual effort, as we have submitted the form, a new subscriber with that same detail is created inside ConvertKit. When I'm going to open this subscriber, you can see that this is the first name of that same subscriber, new. Here we have the last name, user, we have the phone number as well as the email address. And all the details are exactly the same. This means that our workflow is running absolutely fine. So let's quickly summarize what we have done in this workflow. We have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have have taken FlexiFunnels, and in action we have taken ConvertKit, and we have set up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new form will be submitted by a new lead inside FlexiFunnel, then automatically that lead will be added as a subscriber in our email marketing application, that is ConvertKit. So I hope this video was helpful for you. In the similar manner, you can also create this amazing automation to add your leads automatically in email marketing in order to process your sales funnel activities further. So that's it in the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.